Let's go get my first Jeep Badge of Honor. Welcome to Schnebly Hill Trail in Sedona, Arizona. Rated a 3 out of 10 and my first Jeep Badge of Honor trail. I am off-roading in Arizona for the first time and getting a Jeep Badge of Honor at the same time. This trail is rated 3, like I said earlier, out of a 10, so really not that difficult. There's a 4Runner in front of me, seems to be doing okay, and there's all kinds of like pink Jeeps giving Jeep tours, and they're just in standard your normal 4-wheel drive short Jeeps. So yeah, this is fun, guys. Well, everyone, I just got to the top of Schnebly Creek Trail to the overlook, and I'm headed back down to the 17. It's been fun. Did my first off-roading in Arizona, and I'm gonna get my first Jeep badge. So thanks for coming along with me on the ride, and stay tuned.
2 hours later.
So a few days after getting back from the trail, I had this waiting at the door. Let's see what it is. My first badge of honor. That's going to do it for this week. Join me next week where I will be backpacking solo up in Flagstaff. I appreciate you, and thanks for watching.